Are you looking for the best electric mobility scooter? In this video we will look at some of the best electric mobility scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EV Rider Transport Plus. This high-quality mobility scooter uses a 270-watt 4-pole motor that allows it to power through up to 15 miles per charge. It also has a decent payload of up to 250 and can go at a top speed of 4 miles per hour, which makes it safe to take you to explore the area. The EV Rider Transport Plus folding scooter has a unique 3-step folding design that makes it easy to transport. Once it's properly folded, it can be wheeled around like a trolley bag, which is convenient. Alternatively, you can leave it in an upright position without fear of toppling over once it's properly folded. Additionally, this folding scooter only weighs 70 pounds when it's fully assembled. This makes it easy to carry. If that is still too heavy for you, you can take out the battery and seat so it leaves you with just 46 pounds, now that's lightweight. This allows you to take it inside your car with ease. Number 2. Drive Medical Scout 4. Fourth on our list is the Drive Medical's Scout for Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. With a carrying capacity of 300 pounds, this 4-wheel electric mobility scooter has a minimalist feel but without scrimping on the features. To start, this powered scooter uses a 24-volt motor that keeps it running to a maximum driving range of 15 miles. This is a pretty decent range since it allows you to perform a lot of your basic functions without worrying about draining its batteries. We also love that the Drive Medical's Scout for Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter comes with a simple user interface that makes it easy to control even with just one hand. This way, you can navigate and make speed adjustments with ease. You can also run it in reverse, so getting out of a tight spot won't be a problem. Another notable feature we love about this scooter is its quick and easy assembly. All components are already included, so you won't have a hard time getting it up and running. Instructions are also easy to follow, so even a beginner can have it ready in no time. Number 3. Engwe. Next up, we have the Engwe Heavy Duty Travel Mobility Scooter for handicapped adults and seniors. It's got a rugged and buff design that makes it suitable for extra load capacity and increases overall functionality. The scooter has a super spacious seating arrangement that can prove to be super comfortable for most people. Comfort is ensured with the scooter's height-adjustable swivel seat, foldable backrest, and padded armrests. This electric mobility scooter also features a foldable front joystick that allows you to conserve room when transporting the item in a vehicle's trunk or storing it elsewhere. When it comes to design, it has an overall maroon framework with black-colored panels in between. This model has an extended drive range of 12 miles once it's been fully charged. It can also maintain a max speed of 5 miles per hour. Number 4. Drive Medical ZooMe Auto. Next up we have the Drive Medical ZooMe Auto Flex. It comes with almost all the features like that of the previous one, with just a few added benefits here and there. The Drive Medical ZooMe Auto Flex claims to be an easy-move, foldable model due to its easy and highly efficient portability. It can automatically fold and unfold with a single touch on the remote control panel. That makes it easy to carry around in streets, cafes, hotels, airports, etc. To store the scooter, you can just fold it and stow it in a corner or closet and it'll stay upright. It's got a lightweight 60 lbs design with a compact folding style. Great to carry around during travels and cruises. The mobility scooter is powered by a 10-hour lithium battery that can provide about 13 miles of range while fully charged. The motor is a powerful 24V, 120W that can give a top speed of 4 miles per hour. The overall load capacity is about 300 lbs.